Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, today we're going to do a daily market update. The time of this recording is Tuesday, November 9th, 1:23 p.m. Guys, how did we predict this major Litecoin pump, guys? If you guys remember, yesterday we were talking about Litecoin when it was at $225. We were saying, and I told you guys, we were right here, and I said, look, if Litecoin holds $225, the next hypothetical price target would be anywhere from $250 to $300. And exactly what we predicted would happen happened, guys. We are now above $250, and we got close to $272 a couple of maybe hours ago. So we are on our way, guys. Do I see that things keep going? On the 4-hourly, Litecoin is a little bit overextended. It's quite a bit overextended. As you can see, we're completely moonshotted above the previous RSI high, which is this one and this one. So you could probably see a small correction coming, but overall on the 1-day chart, guys, we still look like there's a little room to run. Not much. We could maybe get to the maybe 280, and you know, I would be happy for anybody and surprised if we got to 300 pretty quickly. But I mean, to me, the momentum looks like it's coming back. I mean, right here you can see this momentum is coming back on the 1-day chart. Is there a lot more left? We'll have to see that. So the price on Litecoin is going to depend on whether we keep going on positive momentum or we start to see slower or negative momentum, guys. But that prediction pretty much came true within 1 day, guys. We also talked about Bitcoin and said that Bitcoin, there was also possibility for us to keep going up, and we did. We got to up to 68,000, close to 69,000, and the price target at this point really is anywhere from 71 to 75,000, depending on this momentum on the 1-day chart, guys. On the 4-hourly, Bitcoin, same thing, is looking a little bit overextended. All the 4-hourlies on any major pumps are looking a little bit extended, guys. So it looks like we may see some retest of some major support levels, and then possibly keep moving up towards the upside, guys. But yeah, we had some nice runs yesterday, guys. Nice runs. Ethereum as well, guys. We had mentioned that Ethereum could very well run to 5,000, and it got super close to 5,000. We were at 4,800, was probably the previous new all-time high. The new all-time high is 4,800. And I still think, I mean, if we're touching the top of this wedge, we could probably reach 5,000, and then maybe, I hope, have a correction, so we can buy in again at a good price. So let's see what happens, guys. But right now, 4-hourly, I mean, looks like it wants to find a small correction. On the 1-hourly, we're finding support right here on the 200-day 50-day moving average, and above and right below the bull market support band. So could we hypothetically keep going up a little bit again and try to retest some of those new levels? It's a possibility, guys. It's a possibility. As you guys could see, money flow still looking pretty positive. Money flow still looking strong. It's not looking as strong as it was when it went to the all-time high, but now it's kind of starting to diminish now. So we'll have to see if money flow is gonna keep going up or is just gonna keep decreasing. Let's see what money flow is looking like on the 4-hourly. Yeah, money flow looks still pretty strong, but it looks like we might have hit the peak of it. Same thing, we could keep going up or keep going down. So depending on the money flow as well, and the momentum, that's gonna let us know of how much we have left in Ethereum. But I mean, I personally will not be buying Ethereum at these prices because we are getting close. If anything, we are at all-time highs. Is there more room to run? Yeah, I could keep going, but I am a personal buyer of the dip, guys. I buy the dip and I ride it. I never buy all-time highs, and I just don't recommend anybody buying all-time highs. That's not financial advice. That's just my personal opinion, guys. Cardano, same thing with Cardano, guys. You know, I was telling you since Cardano was $2. I said, look, Cardano's at a good price. I said this on November 3rd. Cardano's at a good price at $2. I said, look, it looks like right now then we're probably gonna get ready to move up and versus down, because we had been dumping so much. And that's exactly what happened, guys. Another prediction that we nailed on this one was Cardano. We probably got a 18% run, so that's not, you know, there's nothing terrible. You can't scoff at 18% when you're making some, you know, some gains that you know are solid, and it's not just random hype coins and you know that are gonna crash any moment. So this is some solid gains here, guys. 18% on Cardano, we nailed that as well. Total crypto market cap on the 1 day still looking pretty strong. I mean, we were talking about the $3 trillion market cap way back when we were still at 2.4. I said, look, it's a possibility that we're definitely going to see a 3 trillion market cap and then have a bigger correction. And it's dead on coming true, guys. So that's pretty awesome. Bitcoin dominance is starting to rise again. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance has found support just below the 50-day moving average, guys. So right now we're at the bottom of our RSI. Money flow is starting to come back in a little bit, so it looks like Bitcoin could be rallying versus all the altcoins instead. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, right now it looks like Bitcoin is gonna start to fight for the dominance again. So we may be seeing Bitcoin start pumping versus all the other coins. So I mean, to me it looks like we have this going on right now, and then let's see, we have about this. And so I mean, yeah, it's pretty crazy. We're breaking out of this wedge. So yeah, I mean, it looks like we're finding support here, guys. That's makes sense. So I mean, the next price target for Bitcoin dominance is 43. We'll see. I'm sorry, 47. We'll see if that plays out. DXY, the US currency, finding its bottom as well here. It looks like it's still gonna probably want to keep going down. Right here, this is telling me that there's going to be a bigger move coming. It's going to be either to the upside or to the downside. And it looks like right now it's not going to keep going up more, guys. It doesn't seem like it. It's funny because I remember, if I mentioned to you guys, remember I said I don't think we'll break over 94. And we haven't broken above 94. We're only finding support down at 93. And we'll see what happens next. But if Bitcoin keeps rallying, it could be a possibility that the DXY, US currency, falls even more. But we'll see, guys, because we are at a point where, I mean, we have to bounce off the 50. Either that, if we don't hold the 50, then we'll keep going down, and that would be probably good for Bitcoin, guys. Let's talk about one more random coin, guys. One more random coin. Let's talk about Solana, guys. Solana, there's been a lot. If you guys remember, Solana went on a major run, guys. And same thing with Solana, guys. Look at this. I mean, this has been here. And I mentioned, look, Solana is traveling within this wedge, and then eventually, when Solana reaches the top of the apex, something's gonna happen big, guys. I mentioned to you this in a video. It will either go violently down or violently up. And once we broke out of this wedge, look what happened. We did exactly this. We did a 60% move, guys. And I mean this is here, it's there. I told you guys, once we break out of here, we're gonna do something big, and that's exactly what we did. So Solana, another great prediction, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. We will keep you updated tomorrow on what is going on, and I will see you on the next one. You can always get out of the rat race too. Thank you for watching.